back to my new video. Welcome back to Vietnam. So today I'm staying in a hotel which has biggest rooftop swimming pool in all over Vietnam. So let's go, and I'm so excited to show you around. Lobby area right now, and you can see small bar behind me, and everything here looking so beautiful and a little bit fancy because they use a lot of golden details, a lot of marbles, so you feel like you're really like an expensive place here. Maybe some of you guys been to Marina Bay Sands in Singapore, so I would call this hotel a mini version of Marina Bay Sands but in Saigon. First of all, because they have exceptional infinity rooftop pool over here, but not only, they have a casino here. Here you can see advertising of this pool, so it looks so amazing. So I will not speak anymore and we will go there right now. I'm having a good day today. Some random guy in the elevator gave me free watermelon juice. What a sweet guy. We are here. The highest level is 27. So welcome to the rooftop of Ho Chi Minh. There is not only a rooftop swimming pool but also a rooftop bar, and can you feel yourself a little bit in New York? This is how Saigon looks from above. I'm extremely lucky with weather today, but wind here is so crazy, it's like a storm. And I'm not sure, is it like this all year around or it's only because of the season? There is one little problem in this hotel, is that elevators are very slow. It took me like 10 minutes to just go down. I'm here at the gym and look at that, this is so huge and empty. We are going to test me in a machine. And I can't use my phone is very heavy, so muscles are low. Yes. And normal range is normal. Okay, so I need to go to gym. For just hotel gym is very impressive. So many machines here, like in proper gym. They measured my body parameters on the machine, so I saw that my muscles are low. That's why I need to train more often. Yeah, if you go outside, here is a spa and on the same level casino, but I'm not sure I can film anything in casino, usually cannot. I've been there in casino already and I saw that all machines, they are very new, like new computers. So it feels a bit weird, like you're playing with a computer, same as computer game, and it's quite small. Maybe because I lived in Macau before, so I saw huge casino, so that's why I feel like it's just tiny. Hi guys and good morning, welcome back to another day here in Vietnam. I have bad news. Today I feel so poor. I got sick yesterday. And look what else is happening. Like a few days ago I had something here on my lip, but it's gone, and now this part of the lip is growing. It's actually scary. So I think my immune system gave up here in Vietnam and I just got so weak. Anyways, I'm still here in my nice hotel, so let's go and have some breakfast. Maybe I will feel better. Do you like breakfast in hotels, guys? In this hotel there are so many options of food. So first, here's coffee obviously, and I need that first thing in the morning. Okay. Breakfast with a view. Hello, Saigon. Let's find out. Here's some noodle. Some wonderful meat. Some cauliflower. And this is chicken soup. They have here a Chinese section. Like even can find salty eggs and 100-year-old eggs, or how would you call it? I don't know. I want to try one of those because I miss Chinese taste. This is mostly breakfast zone. They bake pancakes, they have waffles, they have a lot of bacon, hash browns, stuff like that, and of course they can do different style of eggs. I'm back now and they just did a room cleaning, so let's do a little hotel room tour. Let's start just here at the entrance area. So here it is, here I am, and I'll go inside, and here is my room, and on the right side here is a bathroom with only a glass door. This is so cool, but it has a curtain which can move and close this area. This is my messed up bags, 40 kg of my luggage. And here I am. I like this mirror, it's so nice. Bed is very comfortable and it's ginormous. It's so huge because they built two small beds together. So the total length of this bed is maybe more than 2 meters. This is working / makeup area. A very nice table which is suitable for everything. Has a lamp. Has nice mirrors too. I have my laptop here and some of my teaching stuff because yesterday I did some classes. Here is a little chair with some small table, my tripod, and also we can go out and see what's there. This balcony connected to other balconies from another room, so actually when they go out we just can meet outside. And here we go. it's pretty cloudy day again. This building has not actually a hotel, but this side of the building is apartment building. So it's all flat, so you can rent a flat here and live here. It is definitely gray and rainy day again here. So I better stay inside. This bus stop is very nice, and I want to show you guys how it works with this curtain. Will it move? Yeah, that's moving. Here we go. Another thing I was confused with is that I couldn't find temperature control in this room, and I was like, it was so freezing. I was wearing a sweater in this room, and I was like, where is the remote control? Sorry, this is my flu. So it's hiding here. It's just under a bunch of pillows. So here is the remote control. So let's make it a bit warmer. I just wanted to say I'm so upset that I got sick because I'm not productive at all when I'm like that. I have a brain fog. So I haven't had flu for years. When I worked in Macau, I used to work with small kids, so we have to wear a mask and sanitize hands, and like no bacteria can come in. So you actually work with zero bacteria and like zero coronavirus, right? So when I get here, I just got sick, right? So how about just do a chill out day, take a bathtub. It's still like gray and rainy outside, so whatever. Maybe watch something, and I hope in my next video I'm going to be alright. So thank you so much for watching, and yes guys, subscribe and see you in my next one. Bye bye.